notable for the lack of those wet and windy weather systems that come in from the Atlantic, and as a result across the United Kingdom it has been drier than normal, particularly in Scotland. Despite all of the snow we've had here, it has been dry, and that's because the air that comes in from the north and east, although delivering some snow, just doesn't deliver as much moisture as we get from those wet and windy weather systems that come in from the Atlantic. So where have those gone? They've been pushed much further south, and I'll take you to British Gibraltar. We've had here those wet and windy weather systems from the Atlantic, and as a result it's been much wetter. The wettest winter on record, nearly 4 times as much rain as they'd normally get. There you go, back to our weather now, and where has the sunshine gone? It's disappeared behind a veil of cloud, and as a result it is feeling colder. So in more detail for the rest of this afternoon, some sunny spells coming through across northeast Scotland into the Northern Isles. Elsewhere some hazy brightness, and that's the case as we move further south. Some bursts of weak sunshine coming through, but much more cloud than we had yesterday. And colder, where we saw 10 or 11 degrees, it's just 6 or 7, and it's colder still in this. Look at the wind arrows here, this strong easterly wind, particularly along the south coast and running through southwest England, adding a definite nip to the air. But still there's plenty of usable weather. Maybe the odd spot of rain in Cornwall and Pembrokeshire later on. Elsewhere it's dry in Wales, and for Northern Ireland a weather system close by, some patchy rain coming to Fermanagh and Tyrone at times, but elsewhere it is dry. The football this evening, international friendlies taking place, plenty of dry weather for these in Swansea, Glasgow and London. Temperature dropping away in Glasgow though, and that's because the skies will be clearing. The cloud does clear away southwards overnight, and as it does so, under starry skies, those temperatures drop away. A widespread frost once again in all but southernmost counties of England that holds on to the cloud stays just above freezing. Elsewhere we are at or below, and also some patchy fog around, but a dry night. Now into tomorrow, and it will be a brighter and sunnier day. The cloud in the south will break apart, allowing some sunshine to come through. One weak weather system, some patchy light rain, sleet and snow moving south across north and northeast Scotland. Still a brisk breeze in the south, so not feeling too much warmer despite